Good morning, children. See, yesterday we kept exam now, that is part 6A and 6B. About that we are dealing now. See, these are the solutions of that one. See here, two members, I think three members only did in 10th class. See, they wrote here subsets. What are all the subsets? What are all the subsets? That means you have to list out the subsets. You should not say the number of subsets. 1, 2, 2 subsets, 3 subsets. That question I did not ask you. I asked you what are the subsets. That means you have to list out the subsets about this one. And remaining, and one more thing also you got confused. That is A intersection B and A union B. Intersection means you wrote union. For union you wrote intersection. The two only. Remaining all somewhat better. You performed well. See this one also, 10th one also, how to write the roster form. This one some children they did mistake, and this one also. This one in two ways we can write. This one they wrote even numbers. That also correct. Even numbers. X belongs to even numbers and x is less than or equal to 8 or 10, I think that one they wrote. Remaining all, these are the answers of that exam. Today we will see the new chapter. Today we will see the new chapter, that is polynomials. Before going to polynomials, we will see what is a literal. Basic part we will see. Introduction of that polynomial. That is the third chapter in 10th class. Polynomials. Before going to this one, literal. First we will discuss some basic things about these polynomials. Literal means, what is a literal? The letter symbols which are used to represent numbers. Literal means which are used to represent some numbers. We use letters R, H, M, N. These are the literals. Okay. Next, second one is variable. What is a variable? A variable is a letter symbol that is used to take any value in a certain set. See, for example, x is a variable. We denote these variables with small letters, that is x, y, z, small a, small b, small c, like that. These belongs to certain set, natural numbers, or y belongs to rational numbers, or small a belongs to integers, like that. See, variable does not remain same value. We can change it. Here x is 1. For example, here x is equal to 1 means in another problem x is equal to 3 or 4, like that. That means there is no fixed value for this variable. These are all variables. These we call it as variables. Variables does not have any fixed value. Okay, what about the constant? What is a constant? Constant means constant or fixed values. That is, they never change. Here variables we can change. Sometimes x is equal to 3, sometimes x is equal to 1, sometimes x is equal to 25, like that. Variables may change, but constants never change in any problem. See, constants means 4 is always 4 only. 100, 200, or 3 or 5, like that. These are the constant values. What are terms? Terms means the combination of the variables alone or constants alone, or both also we can write. What are terms? See, first we saw the variable, next constant, next terms. What are terms? The combination, the variables alone also we can write. X is a term, y is a term, are the combination of variable and constant by using multiplication. 3x, 3 into x, or 3yx, or simply we can write 40. These are constants, no? We can write variables alone, constants alone, or both, combination of variables and constants, both we can write these, we call it as terms. These we call it as terms. And expression, what is expression? Expression, see, expression means these are terms, no? These are terms. The combination of these terms, by plus or minus or both. See, 2x plus 3, this is one expression. 2x plus 4y minus 6, this is one expression. The combination of terms by plus or minus, we call it as expression. Okay, one more example, see, 3x 4xy minus 6 minus 8 plus 3, this is a expression, we call it as just expression. Okay, what is a variable, what is a constant, what are terms, and what is expression? Now in these expressions we have two types of expression. One is algebraic expression and another one is numerical expression. What is numerical expression? The name itself, it is saying numerical. Numerical is nothing but numbers. Numerical expression. Numerical expression, the name itself, it is telling it has only numbers, combination of addition and subtraction. See, 3 plus 40 minus 50 plus 60, only numbers, numbers. If we have the numbers as the terms, then we call it as numerical expression. Another one is algebraic expression. What is another one? Algebraic expression means it is the combination of both numerical terms and at least it should have one variable. One variable it should have. 5x plus 3 plus 8. At least one variable. It should contain the expression. It should contain at least one variable by the combination of addition and subtraction. See, one more example for this algebraic expression. 5xy plus 3x plus 4y plus 20 plus 90 r. One more example, 4x square plus 5xy plus 3x plus 40 plus 80, like this. This is an algebraic expression. See the difference between numerical expression and algebraic expression. Here only terms, here only numbers we are having. But in the case of algebraic expression, we have variables, x variable, x and y variables. At least we should have one variable. If we see one variable means we can call it as algebraic expression. More than one also we can write. Okay, this is about algebraic expression. In algebraic expressions, there are different types. Again, if algebraic expression contains only one term that we call it as monomial. Monomial means only one term. If an algebraic expression contains only one term, that is called monomial. 2x, 5xy or 4x square y. This is only one term. We call it as monomial. Binomial means two terms. It should contain at least two terms. 2x plus 3y. Combination of two fundamental operations, that is plus or minus. One more example, 4xy plus 3x square y. This is binomial. Next, tri. Bi means two, mono means one. Trinomial means three terms. If an algebraic expression contains three terms, we call it as trinomial. We call it as trinomial. Next, after trinomial, we can write polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial. If an expression contains more than one monomial or more monomials, one term or more than one terms, we call it as polynomial. Polynomial, this is a polynomial, this is also polynomial, this is also polynomial. Polynomial means one term also polynomial, two terms also polynomial, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on also polynomial. 3xy plus 4x plus 5z is also a polynomial. It is a trinomial. Also we call it as a polynomial. For polynomial there is another definition. The powers, see the powers, for example 3x square plus 5y square plus 2xy. See, the powers should be only positive. If the powers are positive and the number of terms, that is more than one monomial, we can call it as polynomial. Okay. Multinomial means more than three terms. Three or more than three terms, we call it as multinomial. What is the difference between polynomial and multinomial? Multinomial. What is the difference between polynomial and multinomial? In this, the powers may be negative also. Minus 3 plus 2xy plus 4xy. See, polynomial means only positive power should be there. But here in multinomial, may be negative or positive also. Either positive or negative, both we can take. So, all polynomials are multinomials. But in reverse case, all multinomials are not, need not be polynomials. Okay, thank you.